In today's video, I am going to teach you how to track sales in Constant Contact. To get started, the first thing you need to do is make sure your account is set up to track revenue properly. This part is important because if the integration settings are not enabled, Constant Contact will not be able to pull in and display your sales data. Go to your integration settings and verify that the option to sync sales data or enable revenue tracking is turned on. Depending on the platform you have connected, the wording may look slightly different, but you are looking for the setting that allows sales and revenue information to flow into Constant Contact. Once that is confirmed, you can move into the reporting area. In the main menu, click on Reporting. This is where Constant Contact organizes campaign performance information, including revenue-related insights. When the reporting page opens, look for the Revenue tab and select it. This section is designed to help you understand how your email and SMS campaigns are contributing to sales. After you open the Revenue tab, take a moment to adjust the date range picker. This lets you focus on a specific period of time, which is useful if you want to review recent campaign performance, compare results from a certain week or month, or check sales activity during a promotion. Choosing the right time frame helps you get a clearer view of the data that matters most for your review. If you want a more detailed breakdown, click View Full Report. This will open a deeper performance report for your individual email and SMS campaigns. Here you can look more closely at which campaigns are generating revenue and how they are performing over the selected time period. This is especially helpful when you want to identify your strongest campaigns or understand which messages are driving the best sales results. As you review the report, keep in mind that accurate tracking depends on the integration being active and the data syncing correctly. If something looks incomplete, it is often a good idea to double-check that initial revenue tracking setting before reviewing the reports again. That covers everything you need to know.